explaining before the interruption. So when price has finally changed, let me off the light. When price has finally changed to the upside, then you now know that the original price that we are selling before has changed. Then you now increase money. You understand? That is what happened here. Not that it cannot break it. Supply and demand is not always constant in any market in this world. Supply demand is not always constant in any market in this world. That's just it. And then that is how it works. So the major thing for you to know now is when to sell, when to buy, and when not to sell and when not to buy, and how you can sell and how you can buy. You understand? And how you can control your emotions. Because for example now, if you change phone screen for anybody and you heard the price that you people negotiate before, let me just assume that is 15,000 naira, and then you heard a call from the market where you used to buy things from, and agreement with that person is that let me know when price increase. You understand? So immediately you people have already agreed on 15,000 to change that screen for him or her. You understand? So the person now called you that the price has changed. There is nothing you can do with the person again. You understand? Had it been you would have called the person to know the current price of the market before you change the decision, before the negotiation and the agreement, fine. You wouldn't have run in that loss. You understand? That is why I told you that there is when to buy, there is when to sell, and all that. There is something that happened. So that is just all. That is just it for now. That is just it for now. So the major thing you need to know is know how currencies work, and then know how to do your technical analysis. You understand? Then know how fundamental affect the market. You get? Explaining the fundamental part. The fundamental part now related to let me just say Tinubu regime. Let me use Tinubu regime as an example. You get? So you see this Tinubu regime, there are many people that have stored because they have studied government. Okay.
Sorry.
No problem. So they have studied things, they have studied government for long now. If you remember, since 2010, in fact, since 2010, nothing has been going down in Nigeria. Like no price of anything has been going down in Nigeria. All has been shooting up.
Yes.
You understand? So
Due to a new administration.
yes, exactly. So now, if you check very well now, when Goodluck stepped down, Buhari take over, right? Everything changed. Second regime of Buhari, everything changed. You understand? So, as Buhari stepped down, Tinubu came in, everything changed times 10. You understand? So that is why you have to know how fundamental affect the market. You get? Because there are times that you know, okay, this fundamental that is coming, how is going to affect my trade? Since it's time for me to buy, it's time for me to sell, how is going to affect my trade? What should I do? You will now predict it. Like if you are to predict the next thing that is going to happen in Nigeria again, its price is going up. The price is going to go up. You understand? So now what are you going to do? During before the election time, you now stock your shop very, very well, waiting for price to go up, which means you have done your own fundamental technical analysis. You understand? So this thing, we get a platform that you can be notified on when news can be released. We call it news. You understand? Many things that can happen in the market. And then again, this thing cannot just be moving alone because this chart is not the same with gold, it's not the same with other pairs. This is crypto. And the reason why I'm trading crypto at this period is because of holiday. You understand? Because many things now, like there is what we call big boys in the market. They are the people that is moving the market. You understand? Let me just use, for example, now let me just use for example now, if I carry 200,000 naira to come and buy something from your shop, and then somebody carry 10,000 naira or 15,000 naira or 20,000 naira to come and just change screen or to buy something like earpiece and something from your shop, who are you going to give attention to?
Of course, the person with more
Person with big
funds.
more funds but big money, 200,000. Okay, I'll just drop the 200,000. I'm going to use this 200,000 to buy as much as I can from this
Out
shop.
input motor.
They don't give us light. Now plug your phone now before we continue.